Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Kosam Momin, subject Science, chapter number 19, Life Cycle of Stars. This chapter, we have studied the basic concept of this chapter in your 7th standard. Now we will go ahead the remaining information about life cycle of stars. We have learned about the structure of universe in earlier standard. Our solar system is situated in galaxy. A galaxy is a collection of billions of stars. Their planetary systems are interstellar clouds which are present in empty spaces between stars. The universe is made up of innumerable such galaxies. Galaxies differ in structure and shape. We can divide them into three types: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Our galaxy is spiral galaxy and is called as Milky Way and Mandakini. You can observe here, this is the galaxy, spiral galaxy. You can observe, and it is situated in a similar galaxy. If we look at the sky at night, we can see only planets and stars. Then how did we get information about the components of universe? And behind this answer is, with the help of telescope we can observe, or with the help of several telescopes are placed on the surface of the earth, while some other are kept abroad, man-made satellites which are orbiting the earth in fixed orbits. Astronomers study the observation made by all these telescopes to obtain detailed information about the universe. We are going to learn about all this in higher standard. Now we just have to go ahead what is the presence and how we have to observe and about the properties. So let's go ahead about the study of properties of stars. At night we can about 4,000 stars with our naked eye. Sun is an ordinary star among them. The reason to call Sun an ordinary star is that even though it appears to be larger than all other stars in the sky, being nearest to us, because nearest star is Sun only. There are billions of stars which have higher or lower mass size and temperature than that of a Sun. Stars are gigantic spheres of hot gas. Some properties of the Sun are given in this table. You can observe its mass, radius, surface temperature, temperature at the center, and age. Mass is 2 into 10 to the power of 30 kg. Its radius is, this is given, 6,95,700 kilometer. Its temperature 5,800 Kelvin. Temperature at center 1.5 into 10 to 7 Kelvin, and its age is 4.5 into 10 to the power of 9 year. All these are the properties of Sun, which is important. Mass of the Sun is about 3.3 lakh times than the Earth, and its radius is 100 times that of the Earth. Other stars have masses between 1 upon 10th of mass of Sun. Likewise, they are small as compared to Sun. That of the Sun and 100 times that of the Sun. And their radii can be 1 upon 10 times to 1000 times of radius of the Sun. So we can clear this image in our mind, that is Sun is a very nearest star and it is larger as well. So the age of the Sun and other stars, which is time elapsed after their formation, can be in between few millions years to few billions years. And the properties of the Sun had changed in its lifetime. It would have caused changes in the properties of Earth and in the life on the Earth. Now about detailed study we are having with higher studies. This much studies is enough for now. And if you want detailed studies about the Sun, we high we have all these studies in your highest standard. Let's go ahead for birth of stars. I'll show you one video. Listen carefully that video and afterwards we will discuss birth of stars. Let's go ahead.
Like a living thing, a star, also born, evolves in its life and ultimately comes to the declining stage. In this video, let's take a brief overview on these stages. Birth of a star. In the empty spaces between stars in a galaxy, there are huge clouds of gas and dust called interstellar clouds. The sizes of interstellar clouds are about a few light years, a light year being equal to 9.5 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 12 kilometers. Due to some events, the clouds gets contracted and so the volume decreases and temperature and density increases. So, a dense hot spheres of a gas is formed. At a suitable temperature, a kind of chemical reaction called nuclear fusion begins at the center and a star is said to be born. In the sun, hydrogen acts as fuel. That is, energy is generated by fusion of hydrogen nuclei so as to form helium nucleus.
So you can observe here the picture is birth of star, and as I have shown you the video of the same. In this picture you can observe clouds we have seen in the video. Next topic is stability of stars. If we burn an incense stick in one corner of a room, the fragrance spread all over the room instantaneously. Similarly, when we remove the lid of a vessel containing boiling water, the steam spreads in the surrounding region. This means that hot gas spreads everywhere immediately. Then, why doesn't the hot gas in the star disappears in space? And why we have the properties of sun remain unchanged over the last 4.5 billion years? Behind this answer is gravitational force. The gravitational force between the gas particle of the star keeps these particles together. If the gravitational force, which is constantly trying to bring the gas particle close together, and the pressure of hot gas, which is constantly trying to disappear, the gas are balanced. Then the star remains stable because of pressure of gravitation.